नमस्कार। 2020 के आज के कार्यशाला अधिवेशन के अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आज मैं इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा, ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा क्योंकि हम सभी को पता है कि हमारे पास वक़्त बहुत कम है और हमें सीखना बहुत ज़्यादा है। हमारे गुरु डॉक्टर अन्वेषा महंता मैम से विनम्र अनुरोध करना चाहूँगा कि आज का सेशन आप शुरू कीजिए और अंत में हम एक बार फिर से आप सभी से अनुरोध करते हैं कि जो-जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको पहले भी पास किए गए हैं, उनका पूरी तरीके से फॉलो करें। आप सभी अपना-अपना वीडियो प्लीज़ ऑन कर लें और एक उचित डिस्टेंस बनाए पूरे आपके पूरे देख सकें। बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद। आई एम ओवर टू यू।
Okay. Good morning, everyone. So we heard a lot of, inspiring stories. We had taken energy from all the senior masters. So let's get back to the floor then. Okay. Let's start with Bhumi Pranam. So today, what we will try to focus in our session, since you all will have to present and upload your video, and one of you will have to present. But that doesn't mean that you don't, others won't. Everyone needs to upload their video and send it to. Anindita ji, क्या आप अपना पर्दा थोड़ा जी Okay, because I can't see you. It's only a shadow which I can see. I mean, there's too much light at the back. Okay. Is there any light towards your front, Anindita ji? Okay, little better. Maybe you just no. That puts lot of light on our face. Okay. So what we will try and focus. Whatever we have learned, we'll make it short. And yesterday I had already sent an audio clip, so that is around 2 minutes and few seconds. So we keep that time frame in mind so that each one of you can upload. And in the meantime, Rupjyoti, if you can give us an information, the ones who would upload, do they also have to make it 2 minutes or their video can go up to 5 minutes? If that information you can provide us, that would be really helpful.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So let's move forward with a little bit of warm up. Are you finding the warm ups helpful? Yes. So each one of you, you can do these warm ups in the morning, whenever you feel like before dancing. These are very helpful, and it will keep these are good stretchings. It will help you in any kind of movement activity which you do. Okay. So let's start with the boating part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now for 10 counts, we would hold ourselves, hold your legs, try and put your head, try and put your head towards your knees. Relax. Same thing. Count yourself. Take a count of 10. Relax. Now let's move to butterfly. Back straight. Lean forward. Up. Again. Repeat. Lean forward. Up. And now take one leg. Hold it. And, move like this. You will feel a stretch here in this position. Lift up as much as you can. Do it with the other leg. Now hold it here. Hold. Bring it forward. Forward. Up. 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 And relax. Same. Hold it. Up. 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 And relax. Again, repeat this. Up. And other leg. Put it up. And relax. Now open your legs in V position. Open as wide as you can. Okay. Now lean forward. Did you feel a good stretch here? Your muscles over here are getting stretched. Okay, again, lean forward. And slowly up. Okay, come to dog position. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right knee towards your chest, back, side, position. 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 Side kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, stretch. Slowly move to mountain position. Heels up, heels down, heels up, heels down, up and down, one by one, up and down. Slowly walk towards your hand. Put your hands on your legs and head towards your knees as much as you can. Lose your body and slowly up. So, did you practice with the audio clip? Could you practice with the audio clip? Let's start. Aura. Everyone, aura. Take the measurement of your aura. Let me see. Okay. Take the measure. Yes. Anjasa, try and sit more. Yes. Good. Bend the back straight. Pratisha, please sit more. Yes. Okay. Let's start. Now let's do one exercise. Let's take a count of how much count can you take? 25. Let's start with 25. Sit on Ora position till 25 counts. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, sit more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Hold up. If your legs are paining, then immediately do this exercise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back to Ora position again. Let's take a count of 25 again. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, relax. Let's start with Purushora and Prakriti Ora. 1, 2, sit. Take the position. Back straight. Position. 1, 2, 3, start. Tak, dhina, dhani, down. Tak, tak, khitta, khitta, tak, khitta. Repeat. Tak, dhina, dhani, down. Tak, tak, khitta, khitta, tak, khitta. Try and add grace to it. Little grace. Tak, dhina, dhani, down. Ta, ta, khitta, khitta, ta, khi. Repeat. Tak, dhina, dhani, down. Ta, ta, khitta, khitta, ta, khitta. Next. Dhe, khir, khir, khit, down, tak. Down, gir, gir, dhi, down, tak. Dhe, khir, khir, khit, down, tak. Down, gir, gir, dhi, now, tak. Take care of your eyes. Dhe, khir, khir, khit, down, tak. Down, gir, gir, dhi, now, tak. Join your legs. Dhi, na, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Tha, tha, tha. Repeat. Dhi, na, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Tha, tha, tha. Dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Tha, tha, tha. Dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Tha, tha, tha. Dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Tha, tha. Next. Dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Kitti, tak. Nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Kitti, second speed. Nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Kitti, tak. Dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta. Kitti, nitta. One by one. Dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, kitta, nitta, Titi, tini, good. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Dhi, nak, ki. Look at your leg. Dhi, nak, ki. Tak. Repeat. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Hey, tata, kitty, down. Taki, tata, kitty, down. Taki, tata. Okay. In case you forget to take the tal, immediately be on Ora position and take this Namaskar position, okay? Or come to Ora position like this. Okay. For example, I'm reading the bowls and you forget and you cannot pick up the movement at the beginning. So you just cannot wait like this, no? Come back to Ora position and take the next count. Right? Okay? Let's do. 1, Dhinak. Let's repeat from Hardhama. 1, 2, 3, start. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Urasata. Dhe, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Tat, tat, tam. Dhe, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Tat, bah, urasata. Look at the upper hand. Dhe, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. No, I'm repeating the same movement. Some of you are doing with a complete sitting movement. There are two movements, one in half sit and one in full sit. So first we are doing the half sit and then we move on to the full sit where a little bit of jump is there. Let's do the half sit. 1, 2, 3, start. Dhe, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, half sit. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Tat, tat, down. Dhe, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Tat, tat, down. Benita, you are looking at the lower hand. You need to look at the upper hand. See this. 1, 2. Not this. This. Your head is you are bending your head and you're looking at the upper hand. Again, let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, start. Hey, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Tat, tat, down. Hey, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Tat, tat, down. Next, full sit, which is called as Bahasata. 1, 2, 3, start. Dhina, theni, theni, down. Tata, theni, theni, down. Tata, theni, theni, down. Kick down, tak, dhe. Dhina, theni, theni, down. Tata, theni, theni, down. Tata, theni, theni, down. Kick down, tak, dhe. A small correction. When you cross your leg, make sure the leg behind, the leg at the back, itna dur nahi jayega. If you are going, if you're putting your leg, the distance is more, your position will be something like this, which won't look good. I mean, which is scientifically wrong. So it needs to be here. See, can you see? बहुत नजदीक है. Just at the back. Can you see? It won't be like this. No, not this. No. Just at the back. And see, this structure is formed. If you put it like this, your leg will be like this. There won't be any gap, and your hand will be something like this, which is wrong. Okay, so make sure where you are putting your legs. Take care of the measurements. Let's do again the last one, Bahasata. 1, 2, 3, start. Dina, thani, thani, down. Ta, thani, thani, down. Ta, thani, thani, down. Down, tak, de. Dina, thani, thani, down. Ta, thani, thani, down. Ta, thani, thani, down. Down, tak, de. Okay. Next is Katisata. 5. 1, 2, 3, start. Dhina, kick, de. Down, ta, turn. Down, ta, kick, de. Na, de, na, de. Dhina, kick, de. Down, ta, kick, de. Down, ta, kick, de. Na, de, na, de. Again. Let's do. Go back. Go back. You gradually have to come front. 1, 2, 3, start. Dhina, de. Down, ta, de. Down, ta, de. Na, de, na, de. Dhina, de. Down, ta, de. Down, ta, de. Na, de, na, de. Okay. Bus 80, some of you are putting your hand like this. ये straight line नहीं, diagonal line होना है इस तरह का. When you're ending it, this is the position. 1, 2. You're turning 1, 2. Not this, itna nahi, itna. See, ora and little bending towards the front, and you are looking straight up there. So just keep these final positions in frame, in mind, so that you can, gradually take up that movement. Again, let's do Katisata. 1, 2, 3, start. Dhina, kick, de. Down, ta, kick, de. Down, ta, kick, de. Na, de, na, de. Okay, Benita, I can see what is going wrong. See, you are putting your leg, the leg in the front, straight, like this. That's why it's not coming up. Bend, sit in ora, and bend your knee, even the front one. Bend, bend. Yes, now it's clear. Okay, remember. So everyone, just remember, we don't put our legs straight like this. There are very rare occasions where we bring our legs like this. Most of the time, it's always with a bend. Now, let's do again. 1, 2, 3, Katisata. Dhina, de. Down, ta, turn. Down, ta, de. Na, de, na, de. Dhina, de. Down, ta, de. Down, ta, de. Na, de, na, de. Okay. Next. Gervaswa. 1, 2, 3, start. De. Khir, 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 down, tak. Down. Gir, gir, dhina, tak. De. Khir, 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 down, tak. Down. Gir, gir, dhina, tak. Repeat. De. Khir, 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 down, tak. Down. Gir, gir, dhina, tak. De. Khir, 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 down, tak. Down. Very good. Dhi. Now tak. Anjasa, if you can push your leg, the one that goes behind, if you can put it a little, push it more, it will look better. Instead of keeping it here, push it more and then bend. Try that. 1, 2, 3, start. Day. Very good. Kick down. Up, down. Very good. Dhi. Now. Tap. Hey. Very good. Kick down. Tap. Down. Very good. Dhi. Now repeat. Hey. Very good. Kick down. Tap. Down. Very good. Dhi. Now. Tap. Hey. Very good. Kick down. Tap. Down. Very good. Dhi. Now. Tap. Okay. After this, we will add 2 bones. Dhi. Now. Tap. So you have ended up here. Just do din, tak, din, tak. Now, kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe, tani. Again, we repeat this movement. 1, 2, 3, start. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe, tani. Only thing, see, don't bend your arms. Just have a look. The basic Ora position of your body. See, ये एक अपना एक measurement में है. इसको हम ऐसे या ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हैं. So, 1, you are lifting. 2, you are bringing. 3, and finally 4. Everything, the basic structure of Ora is maintained. You cannot do this. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Even if you jump, even there is a jump, like this leg, it cannot come here. Itna nahi. Bas this much. Yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kitta, digdina, dhetani. Yes. Yes. Now this little bit, Tani. Come forward, Tani. Little forward towards the hand. Yes. Again, we do it. 1. We do this 4 times together at a stretch. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kitta, digdina, dhe. Repeat. Kitta, digdina, dhe. And repeat. Kitta, digdina, dhe. Tani. Kitta, digdina, dhe. Tani. Okay, better. And finally, Anjasa, don't put it like this. The curve of the hand, the aura of the hand is maintained. Okay, not like this. No, this. So let's do from Din Tak. So you have ended it up. Dhe kir tam tak, tao gegir dhina tak. Dhe kir tam tak, tao gegir dhina tak. Zin tak, zin tak. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe, tani. Hold. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe, tani. Next. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe, tani. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe. Other side. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe, tani. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe. Again repeat. Kitta, dig, dhi, na, dhe, tani. Kitta, digdina, dhe, tani. Let me see. Just do this hand. 1, 2, 3. One thing, See, the emphasis is given on didhi. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitta didhi na dhetani. Kitta didhi na dhetani. Kitta didhi dhetani. Kitta didhi na dhetani. Kitta didhi na dhetani. Yes. Right. Good. Yes. Detani. And make sure your eyes are also going with your hand. Kitta didhi na detani. Kitta didhi na detani. Kitta didhi na detani. Kitta didhi na detani. Kitta didhi tani. Kitta didhi na detani. Yes, yes, good. Okay. Yes, done. Okay, Valina, it's fine. Okay, so we are starting from Zinthak. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Zinthak, Zinthak. Now, kitta didhi na dhetani. Hold. Kitta didhi na dhe. Now, kitta didhi na dhetani. Kitta didhi na dhe. Right side. Kitta didhi na dhetani. Kitta didhi. And left. Kitta didhi na dhetani. Kitta didhi na dhetani. After this, you have ended it up here. Na dhetani. Kidhei. Zidhei. Can you see? This is in Ora position. First, stand pure. Left leg. Kidhei. Zidhei. Kidhei. Zidhei. First wrong chale. Kidhei. Zidhei. Kidhei. Zidhei. Kidhei. Zidhei. Yes. E. Kidhe. But don't cross. Don't cross your leg. Don't bring it here. No. It comes front. See? Front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the leg in the front is bent. Can you see? The aura is maintained. Yes. 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 Zidhei. Anjasa, you are just a little bit of ODC stamp is coming. You are doing acting like this. So 1, 2. The leg, if the right leg is in front, so I'm bending my head, my upper part of the body towards the right side. If I'm doing the left, I'm bending towards the left side. Okay? Yes. Good. Yes. Right. Valina, show me. Ma'am, we can't see your legs. Okay. I'll just show my legs. This 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Yes, Benita, you're are doing correct? Yes. Yes. Right. While in a little bit you're doing sideways. So your movement is coming something like this. So just make sure your body is faced towards the front side, and only see the movement is this and this and this, not this and this. No, it's this and this and this and this and this and this and this. So from here, 1, 2, 1, 2. Kidhei, zidhei, kidhei, zidhei, kidhei, zidhei. The curve of the hand is maintained, not like this, but this. Kidhei, zidhei. Yes. Yes, Benita, right? But don't put your leg to the side. No, not side. Front. Leg is in the front. Yes, and more front, little more front. Or thoda front. Yeah, and bend your knees. Bend your knees. The leg in the front. Bend. Sit. Yes. Sit in aura. Yes. Right. Okay. So let's do 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four. 1. Anjasa is doing right. Yes. Well enough. So 1, 2. See, unfold your fingers gradually. Lahe ke meridia. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. So here we do again. Let's start from Khitta Didhi. Ponmukhale ja. Let's start from there. 1, 2, 3. Start. Khitta Didhi na dhe tani. Hold. Didhi na dhe tani. Left side. Didhi na dhe tani. Khitta Didhi na dhe. Right. Khitta Didhi na dhe tani. Khitta Didhi na dhe. And left. Didhi na dhe tani. Khitta Didhi na. Next. Kidhei, zidhei. Zidhei. Okay. Now from there, only one time. एक बार ही आएगा. Kidhei, zidhei. So first your right leg goes to the front. Kidhei, right leg, right hand. Kidhei, zidhei. Now from this position, what we will do? So we have ended up Kidhei, Zidhei. Now from here, Zidhei. Okay. So we have ended it up here. dhi na dhi na dhe tani. Yes, each time in ora you have ended it up kidhei, zidhei. From here, dhi na dhi na dhe tani. Okay, again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So kidhei, zidhei. This leg, dhi na dhi na dhe tani. Yes. Again, 1, 2, 3. Start. Dhi na dhi na dhe tani. Hand. How will the hand go? Kidhei, zidhei. From here, dhi na dhi na dhe tani. So this is called as, just like you did Purush Ora. This particular turn is called as Purush Pak. This is also Matya Akhara. Later we will write it down. So you have done Purush Ora. Now this is Purush Pak. Okay, the turns. So there are different kind of turns. This is just one of the turns. Let's do again. One, 2, 3, start. Kidhei, zidhei, dhi na dhi na dhe tani, hitta dhi na dhe tani. Sit. So you have ended up dhi na dhi na dhe tani, tani, hitta dhi na dhe tani. Right leg. Right leg, yes. Could you follow? Yes, you have to try and come back to Ora position. Tani. Tani, yes. Violina, sit in Ora. Sit in Ora. Aru Orat baha, aru Orat baha. Aru agor bhorikhon dia aguai. Yes. Kintu, but we are not. It's moving towards the front. Hitta, dhi na dhe tani. See, tani. We won't do this. No. Tani, front. Yes, right. But don't bring the hand here. Keep the distance of the Ora. Bas, itna. Let's do. Let's try and do again. 1, 2, 3. Just have a look at the legs once. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kidhei, zidhei, dhi na dhi na dhe tani, hitta dhi na dhe tani. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kidhei, zidhei. Turn. Dhi na dhi na dhe tani. Hitta dhi na dhe tani. Yes. Okay. Let's sit in this position. Any confusion? Anindita ji, could you follow?
I have followed, but more practice is required.
Right,
That's
right,
the thing.
Right.
Actually, I'm not at all from the dance, so first time learning, so more practice is required.
Yes.
So if these are sessions are all recorded in Google Meet, if they can forward any of the recording, then we can see and practice the steps later on also.
Yes, yes. I think that will be done.
Okay.
Rupjyoti, the technical team will be doing it, I guess. So
Okay.
later on, once.
Any of the class, if they can send.
Yes, yes. Okay.
But the steps are, very graceful dance, and that's what I'm liking it. And if I practice, I think I will be able to do at least what you have
Right,
taught.
right. Yes, well,
It's
whenever we make it a point that we do practice, then definitely, as the saying goes, practice makes it perfect.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
So, Anjasa, could you follow? Yes. Okay. So let's quickly practice this. Oh, there's one message. Just a second. Ma'am, it is Purush Pak or Purush Path? Pak. Pak. Pak means turn, right? Turn. So in Assamese, whenever we call Pak, the turn as Pak. How to? पुरुष ओरा को एक बार दिखा दीजिए प्लीज. पुरुष पाक को. Okay. So we are repeating Purush Pak. You have ended it up here. See, you can do both sides. But now, since we have just started learning, we won't do the both sides. We are doing it in one side. Here, this is the leg. So because we have ended it up Kidhei, Zidhei. This, your left leg is in the front. So from the left leg, we will take the turn. 1 and 2. Again, 3 and 4. Yes. Okay. So let's do it again. From 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Yes. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat. Now let's try with the hand. Hand will go from here. Ala Padma Hasta goes from here, and 1, put it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, violin are good. You are doing it both the sides. If you can, later on, let's just stick it to one format now. If you can, gradually you can practice both the side. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can practice both the side. But for now, because tomorrow the presentation is there, let's stick it in one side right now. Later on, if you want to take it up, if you want to practice more, we will work on both the sides. Next, 1, 2. Let's do from Kidhei. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kidhei, Didhei, Dina, Didhina, Dhetani, Na, Didhina, Dhetani. Kitta, Didhina, Dhetani. Hold. Kitta, Didhina, Dhetani. Kitta, Didh. Again. Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhetani. Last step. Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhetani. Kitta, Nitta, The. Yes. Okay. So let's do from Kidhe. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kidhei, Didhei, Dhina, Didhi, Na, Dhetani, Kitta, Didhi, Dhetani, Kitta, Didhi, Dhetani, Kitta, Didhi, Dhetani, Kitta, Didhi, Dhetani, Kitta, Nitta, Dhei. I'm repeating it again. Please have a look. Close look. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kidhei, Didhei, Dhina, Didhi, Na, Dhetani, Kitta, Didhi, Dheta, Didhi, Tani, Kitta, Didhi, Dhetani, Kitta, Didhi, Tani, Kitta, Nitta, Dhe, Hit. Could you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see. Pratisha, let me see. Kidhei, Didhei, Tan, Dhina, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, Sit, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, yes, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, hold, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, next, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, Kitta, Nitta, Dhe, E. Yes. Only thing, see, when you do Kitta, Nitta, Dhe, E. See, sit. Your heels are joined, Dhe, E. Okay. Violina, let me see. From Kidhe. 1, 2.
Ma'am, I have confusion in part.
Sorry?
I have confusion in the last part.
Oh, you have confusion in the last part. Where?
Ma'am, the last jumping part.
Okay, we will work on that. Antasa, would you like to try? Now? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kidhei, Zidhei, Tan, Dhina, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, hold, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, next, Kitta, Didhi, Na, Dhe, Tani, Kitta, Nitta, Dhe, E. Yes. Okay, Benita, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Just bring your camera little. I cannot see your head. Yeah, bus. 1, 2, 3, start. Sorry. Kiddhei, ziddhei, dhina, diddhi, na, dhe, tani. Doesn't matter. Repeat, doesn't matter. It's okay. I can't hear anything. Okay. Am I on mute? No, I'm not on mute. Can you hear me now? Vanita, can you hear me? No? I think the technical person can tell. Others, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Ma'am, I'll go and come back. Okay. So we will try and fix the last part. Whoever has confusions, just have a look again. So we are starting from Kiddhei. 1, 2, 3, start. Kiddhei, ziddhei, dhina, diddhi, na, dhe, tani, kitta, diddhi, na, dhe, tani, kitta, diddhi, na, dhe, and hold kitta, diddhi, dhe, tani, kitta. Just like Kiddhei, same step. Kitta, diddhi, tani. Now kitta, nitta, dhe, i. Yes, Alapadma again. Dhe, i. Dhe, i. E. Yes, but don't join it like this. Do this. Yes, so that I can see your face. See? Dhe. Look at my hand. Okay. Dhe, e. Okay. So now just have a little bit of water. We will start from the beginning till this point. Or no, first we will clarify this part and then we will start from the beginning. Now you're audible. Okay. So in the meantime, just pen down towards the end of this session. We will you just pen down your thoughts because also in the presentation one of you will have to speak about your thoughts. So just pen down your thoughts and make it sort of one presentation. We will work it out who's going to present. So pen down your thoughts and so what all you have to say about the workshop, your own experience, and then after that we will do like yesterday. I had sent you the audio clip. For 2 minutes we have only ek avartan, one time we can do. Now we are doing three times, but then we will do only one time. So that we will work it out. Okay. Can we go back to, we don't have much time. Can we go back to this? Kitta Didhi, let's start from there. 1, 2. We will start from Jinthak. Ma'am, I am not in the Satriya group. Oh, so which group are you in? Anyways, let's not waste time now. Quickly, let's start. 1, 2. Okay, let's start. Din, thak, din, thak. Start. Khitta, didhi, na, dhe, tani. Khitta, didhi, na, dhe. Left. Khitta, didhi, na, dhe, tani. 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 Other side. Didhi, na, dhe, tani. Khitta, didhi, na, dhe, tani. Khiddhei, ziddhei. Dhina, didhi, na, dhe, tani. Khitta, 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 mitta, dhe, khit. Yes. So now we will start from Ora, the first. The way we recorded, we will do in that order. You will start first with Bhumi Pranam, then up, and immediately start Ora. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, start. So just come inside from the side in Namaskar position, yes, and straight. Oh, I am not in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so Parijat or Rupjyoti can take care of that.
जी मैम, इनको मैंने
is not in our WhatsApp group.
मैम इनको मैंने डेली बोला है इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए. जैसे ही इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे ये ग्रुप में ऐड हो जाएंगे.
Okay, so towards the end we will do the introduction part. Okay, Violina? Yes, let's start now. 1, everyone come from this side in Namaskar position. How will you come from this side? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bhumi Pranam. And start. Tak, dhina, dheni, down. Tak, ta, khitta, khittata, khittak. Dhe, khir, khir, khittao, tak, tao. Gir, gir, dhi, now tak. Dhina, nitta, khitta, nitta, khitta, nitta. Tha, tha, tha. Dhina, nitta, khitta, nitta, khitta, nitta, tha, tha, tha. Dhina, nitta, khitta, nitta, khitta, nitta, khittiti, nittak. Dhi, nak, khi, tak. Dhi, nak, khi, tak. Dhe, tata, khitti, dam. Taki, tata, khitti, dam. Taki, tata, khitti, dam. Tak, tak, down. Dhe, up. Dhina, theni, theni, down. Tata, theni, theni, down. Tata, theni, theni, down. Kitao tak the katisata dhi na kidhe down ta kidhe down ta kidhe na the khir kitao tak tam gir thi now tak the khir kitao tak tam gir thi now tak zin thak zin thak kitta didhi na the tani kitta didhi tani kitta na the tani kitta didhi the tani kitta didhi tani kitta didhi the tani kitta na the tani kitta didhi na the tani chidhe I didhe I dhina didhi na the tani kitta didhi tani kitta didhi the tani kitta didhi na the tani kitta didhi tani kitta nitta the ke. Here, did you get an idea? So this will be tomorrow's pattern for presentation. Just wait for 2 minutes. We will again do this. Now, from now onwards, we will keep repeating this format. I think then Priyakshi Saikya. Okay. So Violina, maybe you put on your mobile for a little bit of charge, and if you can dance in that position, put your camera in that position. Also, Parijat or Rujjuti, who is listening, please let me know, can one of them demonstrate and one speak about the experience, or only one person has to do both? For tomorrow.
मैम 1 मिनट मैं रूप भैया से बात करके फिर क्लियर करती हूँ.
ठीक है. और आप ये भी क्लियर कीजिएगा, जो इंडिविजुअल्स जो वीडियो अपलोड करना है उनको, नॉट फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन बट लेटर ऑन, उनको कितना मिनट ड्यूरेशन का वीडियो अपलोड करना है? 2 मिनट का दे कैन एक्सीड?
मैम 2 मिनट का ही करना है, फिर भी मैं क्लियर कर लेती हूँ.
ठीक है. ओके. अच्छा, can we start? Okay, just come from the entry point. Yes, start. Okay, and then so once you start Bhumi Pranam karke, you be in Namaskar position and in Ora. Your legs should be in Ora position. Okay. and immediately we would start off. So what we will do, the audio clip, which I will send another audio clip. So throughout you practice that, and when you dance, you can play that. Because sometimes, you know, the internet connection might not be good, I might not be audible, so there shouldn't be any disturbance from your part. If you have Bluetooth or if you have any speaker where you can play the bowl, you do that. Okay? Yes. So we start again. 1, 2 from Bhumi Pranam. 1, 2, 3. Start. Dhek, kick, down, tak, tak, dhina, dhani, down, tak, tak, kick, ta, next. Dhe, kir, down, tak, down, gir, dhi. Now next, dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, tha, dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta. पानी के साथ fast. Dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, kititi, tak, dhinak, tak, dhinak, tak, dhe, tata, kiti, down, taki, tata, kiti, down, taki, tata, kiti, down, tat, next, dhina, thani, down, tata, thani, down, tata, thani, down, kick down, tak, dhe, next, dhina, kick, dhe, down, ta, kick, dhe, down, ta, kick, dhe, na, dhe, next, dhe, kir, down, tak, down, gir, dhi, now, tak, dhe, kir, down, tak, down, gir, dhi, now, tak, din, tak, kitta, vidhina, deitani, kitta, vidhina, deitani, kitta, vidhina, deitani, kitta, vidhina, deitani, kitta, vidhi, deitani, kitta, vidhi, deitani, kitta, vidhina, deitani, kitta, vidhina, deitani, kiddhei, ziddhei, dhina, diddhina, deitani, kitta, diddhina, deitani, kitta, diddhina, de, hold, kitta, diddhina, de, next, kitta, diddhina, deitani, kitta, nitta, de, kick. Sit. Okay, so just to have an understanding what we did in the session. You learned first, of course, the Bhumi ma'am, you told that today you will tell about Satriya dance costume. Yes, I will definitely, I have that in my mind. So you should know that what the sequence of movements, what you did right now, what you will present tomorrow, that is also very important. You should know what you are presenting. So you started with Bhumi Pranam. You have shown Matyakhara, and also towards the end from Jingthak, as you have seen, you have shown an excerpt of a pure dance number of Satriya repertoire, which is called as Zumura Ramdani. Okay, just an excerpt, little bit, a hint. But why we did that? So that you have an understanding of how these Matyakharas are combined together to form a dance number. So that gave you a brief. So please be clear what you have learned. Okay. And I think how to what you have to know, pen down your experiences also, because within a very you have just 30 seconds to share your own experience of what of this workshop. So apart from that, the rest of the time let's devote to the demonstration. And since only yes, Rupjyoti, any message for us?
नमस्कार मैम, वेरी सॉरी कि नेटवर्क इश्यूज के वजह से मैं
नो प्रॉब्लम।
जैसे कि अभी थोड़ी देर पहले निखिल भैया का फोन आया था एंड उन्होंने ये मैसेज कन्वे किया कि एक स्टूडेंट्स हमारे साथ होंगे फॉर एक या दो स्टूडेंट्स, उसके लिए 2 मिनट।
I cannot hear your voice properly.
मैम एक्चुअली अभी निखिल भैया से हम कनेक्ट हुए थे फोन पर, उन्होंने ये मैसेज दिया है कि ये जो वर्कशॉप लास्ट डे के लिए एक या दो स्टूडेंट जिनको 2 मिनट का समय दिया जाएगा इस आर्ट फॉर्म के बारे में बात करने के लिए, और साथ ही जो उन्होंने सीखा उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए, और साथ ही 2 मिनट गुरु के लिए होगा, यानी कि आपके लिए होगा, ताकि आप उस चीज के बारे में एज अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन समझा सके।
अच्छा, okay. So demonstration, I think I will speak about my experience and let the demonstration part be done by the student.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. So all together yes. We have कुल मिला के हमारे presentation के लिए 4 minutes तो है मेरा समय लेके भी, right?
जी.
Okay. So I will shorten my part, but I want you to do your part very nicely. So that's what, and then so we can have at least 3 students, 1 who can speak and 2 who can demonstrate, or what? At best, how many students can we have? Also, please others, ऐसा मत सोचिए कि आप लोग अगर डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में आप नहीं हैं तो आपका वीडियो नहीं आएगा. Don't think that. Since there is like less time, that's why they are not including people. But each one of you have to upload your own video. That's what I was told. कि आप लोगों का खुद का जो भी सीखा है यही फॉर्मेट आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस और अपना वीडियो अपलोड करके you have to give it to the Rupjyoti or the person who is taking care of that. Together they will make a video later on. क्योंकि कल it will go like a very fast way. That's why they have not included so many people. अगर हम लोग ये virtual ना करते तो each one of you would have to come and give a stage demonstration. लेकिन अभी तो वो संभव नहीं है, so everyone will have to upload your video. So please make sure you practice this. But for tomorrow, I think for that particular time we have only 1 hour for all the presentations whoever is workshop is doing. आज हमारे साथ 5 students हैं. Yes. So okay, now let's start. Let's start from this Namaskar position. 1, 2, 3, start. So the namaskar position, this is the goal. The, ki, tao, tak. Okay. Yes. Let's start. Again, come from the side as if you're entering. Yes. And they, ki, tao, tak. Start. Tak, dhina, dhani, down, ta, kitta, ta, kitta. Next, dhe, khir, kitta, tak, down, gir, dhi. Now next, dhina, nitta, kitta, kitta, nitta, tha, dhina, nitta, kitta, nitta, tha. Next, dhina, nitta, kitta, kititi, tak. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Dhi, nak, ki, tak. Dhe, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Taki, tata, kiti, down. Tak, down. Next, dhina, thani, down. Tata, thani, down. Tata, thani, down. Kitta, tak, dhe. Next, dhina, kid, dhe. Down, ta, kid, turn. Down, ta, kid, dhe. Na, dhe, dhe. Kid, down, tak. Tao, gir, dhi, now, tak. Dhe, kir, tao, tak. Tao, gir, dhi, now, tak. Zin, tak. Kitta, didhina, dhe, tani. 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 Kiddhei, ziddhei. Dhina, didhina, dhe, tani. Kitta, 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 nitta, dhe, ke.
Ma'am, may I ask you some questions?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, till which step is the Mati Akhara? Till Sanmukh Khola? What is it actually? Jump towards the...
Sanmukh Khole jump is also Mati Akhara. Then today you had learned Purushpak also. Purushpak is also Mati Akhara. But, you know, the Mati Akhara position is, we have done till day, Gervaswa. And then the next position, next part, we have included that as part of Jhumura Ramdani, the pure dance sequence.
Okay. Jhumura Ramdani.
Yes.
Okay.
It's just an excerpt, a small excerpt.
Okay. Acha. Purushpak was that turn, and yes, after that, this was the Purushpak. Okay. And the Jhumura Ramdani one was like this.
No, Jhumura Ramdani is like, you know, it's a long dance number. It's around, you know, half an hour dance number which you can. But now we are just doing, you know, few seconds and small excerpt. Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, if you don't mind, could you please do this demonstration once for us? The full, we will just observe so that we can rectify, if you don't mind.
Yes. Okay. So now you want me to do it a video and send it to you?
Yeah, ma'am. If you can send us the video, then that will be fine. If it won't be a problem for you. Okay.
Or can you just, if I do it now, can you just record it? No,
ma'am.
that won't be possible. Okay, so what I will do, I'll send a video, and
Okay.
so that you can rectify your positions.
Okay.
Ma'am, sorry.
Ma'am, Jhumur.
Yes, Rupjyoti has a message. Yes.
Yeah, sorry to disturb you in between. Actually, मैम हम लोग का जो ये क्लासेस का सेशन है, ये सारे सेशन यूट्यूब पे अपलोड हो रहे हैं। स्टूडेंट्स को वीडियो चाहिए तो आप यूट्यूब में सीधा जाके भी ये क्लासेस का फुल सेशन देख सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए आपको स्टेप में के जितने भी हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल है उसको आपको सब्सक्राइब करना होगा। तो काइंडली आप सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और क्योंकि पहला दिन और दूसरे दिन हमारे क्लासेस थे, उन सारे क्लासेस का वीडियो हमें ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब पे डाल दिया है। इन केस अगर क्लासेस के आपको आपको चाहिए तो वो सारी वीडियोस आपको यूट्यूब पे थैंक यू मैम।
Okay. As I can guess, Rupjyoti, your voice is breaking. Maybe you just write the message on the comment section. As I could guess, all these sessions, our class sessions, have all the videos have already been uploaded. So you have your reference in that, and you have to subscribe to a particular link, which I think Rupjyoti will be able to mention in the comment section. So there, you go and subscribe, and everything, all the videos from exercises to the last part of our class, everything will be available there. Okay, so just get in touch with Rupjyoti, which link, where you can get to see the entire video. I think that will be helpful. Okay, so before let's do once more, and then we wind up with the discussion of the costume. Once more, okay? Let's start. And also one thing, if for presentation, for individual presentations, apart from tomorrow's presentation, please consider, all of you will have to upload your video. So please consider each and one of you as your individual presentation. If you have one who has mekhla chadar, you can wear it in a shorten. As you can see, I'm wearing my mekhla chadar. We have some Assamese girls here. I'm wearing my mekhla in a short way, and then I'm wearing a chadar. So you can use this. You can wear this. Otherwise, mekhla khan pusai pinhibo lage. Okay? Can you see? That is one option. Option 2, if you don't have mekhla, you can wear as Indian salwar and kurta, and please remember, tie your hair, put a red bindi, wear a good jhumka, and little bit of makeup. Your eyes should be prominent. Put lipstick, and just make sure you are putting your hairband, hair knot. Okay? Even if you have short hair, even I have short hair, you can put a clutch here. Just, ma'am, chadar part to kenekoi pindhibo lagibo. Chadar, just the way you wear chadar, just like the way you wear chadar, and pin it up here. And then for practice, we actually put this as an extra so that our, we tie another knot here. Otherwise, wear like a chadar and just pin it up here. Tight karke, theek hai? And if you don't have mekhla chadar, those who don't have mekhla chadar, wear an Indian dress, put a hair band, wear red bindi, put jhumka, take a little bit of lipstick, just come forward as if you are, you are doing a formal presentation. So make sure you look neat and tidy. Okay? Yes. Now, quickly, let's start again. One, two, three, start. They kick down, tak, tak, dhina, dheni, down, tak, tak, khitta, khitta, tak, khitta, dhe, khir, kick down, tak, down, gir, dhi. Now next, dhina, nitta, khitta, nitta, khitta, nitta, tha, dhina, nitta, khitta, nitta, khitta, nitta, tha, next, dhina, nitta, khitta, nitta, khitta, nitta, khitti, nitta, dhi, nak, khi, tak, dhi, nak, khi, tak, dhe, tata, khitti, down, taki, tata, khitti, down, taki, tata, khitti, down, tak, next, dhina, theni, down, tata, theni, down, tata, theni, down, khitta, tak, next, dhina, khidde, down, tak, khidde, down, tak, khidde, na, dhe, next, dhe, khir, khit, down, tak, down, gir, dhi, now, tak, dhe, khir, khit, down, tak, down, gir, dhi, now, next, din, tak, tak, khitta, didhina, dhetani, 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 khiddhe, ziddhe, dhina, didhi, na, dhetani, khitta, didhina, dhetani, khitta, didhi, na, dhe, hold, khitta, didhi, na, dhetani, khitta, didhi, na, dhetani, khitta, nitta, dhe, khit. Then just do this and you wind up your presentation. Yes. Okay. Now all we have to add is your experience of the entire workshop. I think Anindita ji, you can help us here. You can Rupjyoti.
Okay.
So Anindita ji will be there to. Anindita ji, you will have only 30 seconds. Keep that in mind.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So please mention what all you have learned. So you started with Bhumi Pranam. You learned Mati Akharas. You also learned an excerpt of Kshatriya's pure dance sequence, Jumura Ramdani. And then what else? We discussed various theoretical issues of Kshatriya dance. We had done, you had seen the Satra glimpse also, as Rupjyoti also had shown some of the pictures also. So in short, within this 5 days, we tried to give you a glimpse of the entire Satriya arts, that is music, dance, theatre, in a holistic way, and through practice of Satriya dance, you tried to relate and understand the entire philosophy of Satriya.
Okay.
And anyone, if you want to add any particular point, please in the group, you can edit so that Anindita ji can add your point to you. Please don't think that this is an individual presentation. She is speaking on behalf of all of you. So if you have anything to share, please make sure you share it with Anindita ji so that she can convey it to you. Also, in your own individual presentations, you speak about your own experiences. That will be different. But in that group presentation, make sure you communicate your thoughts to her so that your message gets communicated. Okay?
Okay.
So,
and who is going to show the demonstration? Which child? There are many. Rinkumani, Angesha.
Now here, I think what we will do, everyone now practice this. Send me a video of your practice, whatever we had done. Okay? I will, right now itself, I will send another audio clip in our WhatsApp group. Violina is not added there. Please add Violina there. I'll just send you another audio clip. Keep practicing there, and then we will work it out who's going to present. Okay?
Yeah, 4 girls are here, I think. Now, how many children are here today, students?
I can see Benita, Anjasa, and Violina.
Okay. Okay.
Kusuma ji, you also have to share anything about your experiences in the workshop. Please आप share करें और convey करें ताकि आपका भी आपका experiences भी हम लोग जान पाए. Okay, so now I said that we would be talking about Satriya costume. So yesterday, sure, okay. So yesterday you had seen that there was a male kind of dress and there is a female kind of dress. So initially in the Satras, हर एक डांस नंबर के लिए अलग अलग कॉस्ट्यूम होता अभी भी और हर एक डांस नंबर के लिए अलग अलग कॉस्ट्यूम होता है. मतलब पुरुष वेश में होता है, स्त्री वेश में होता है. लेकिन अभी जब हम इसको when we had started doing it on the stage, lot of senior masters, scholars, they sat together and worked on the costume. So now you get to see only 2 kinds of costume. Whenever we do male dance numbers, like Jumura Ramdani, it's a male dance number. So because you see Purush Pak, you see Purush Ora, that itself gives us the hint that this is a Purusha dance number. So there you will see one wearing a headgear. We call it paguri. We cover our head, and then wearing dhoti. Even the ornaments are also, which are like male ornaments, like we wear money. We don't wear very decorative ones. We wear the monies. So we wear kundals. So that way, the male dance costume is made. Then there's a belt, which is called as kansi. Rupjiti, can you show us that picture of costume if you can?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Another, then the female. Female costume may we wear a skirt, or we call it as ghuri. Then we wear here achal, something, a deep kind of covering in the front, and then we have kanchi as a belt. Also, it's very important that we cover our, so yes, let's move. This was the, yes. So can you see the belt in the waist? That is called as kansi. Okay. Well, these two boys, you know, they are Satra monks. Nowadays, when we started doing it on stage, more decorative costume with Asmi silk is used. So sometimes we use sometimes white, and white is the base color. From there, you can wear different, you know, different flower motifs can be there. And white and red is a very popular one. So here you can see the even the bangles. For female, it's different. For male, it's different. And then the female costume, you wear a orna. We cover our hair knot with a piece of cloth which is called as orna. So this is the female costume. Male costume, here he is with bare body, but mostly, you know, we cover our body with a shirt kind of, we call it sula. Sula is a like shirt kind of material where, uh, and then you wear a dhoti, and then here on your waist, kanchi is seen. And then this is the headgear which you see for the male. Also as tilak, the Vaishnav tilak is used. In female, we just wear a bindi, and we also, you know, decorate our head with kopali. Kopali is like, you know, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? The head ornament. Also, you will see that traditionally we don't wear ghungroos because this is a very silent-footed and soft-footed dance. We don't stand our feet loud. The energy, as I said, the energy, it's anti-gravitational. It's soft-footed. That's why mostly you will see traditionally we don't use ghungroos. But for characters like Krishna, you know, the Krishna ornaments his foot, the character Krishna. If he takes up, yes, we have there. We cannot see it here. He wears nupur. It's not ghungru. Also, it's nupur. Traditionally, nupur is worn by characters like Krishna. And Ojapali also, if you were doing Ojapali dance number, nupur is used. But now sometimes some dancers outside the satra and on stage, they've started using ghungrus. I don't wear a ghungru, but that is what we see. Any further questions? So Rupdidi gives us a message that all the workshop videos are on YouTube. So please, if you need the videos, please subscribe to the Speakmake channels, and there you can get all the videos. Ma'am, I have not the Satriya Nritya Kopali. No, you don't have to wear it tomorrow. Don't worry about tomorrow. I'm just describing about the costume. That's why I have mentioned about the Kopali. Okay, for presentation, no, you don't have to wear anything. You just, you know, make a hairband, hair knot, and wear a bindi. That's it. But now what I will do, I will send the audio clip. You will do practice that. You will send me the practice video, all of you, and then we will accordingly, we will try and work it out who's going to present. But everyone, ultimately everyone needs to present. As I said, everyone needs to upload their video. But for tomorrow's presentation, who's going to do it, we will work it out. Okay? And in case, because only one can do it, in case you are not there, please don't take it otherwise. It's not, it doesn't mean that you're not doing well. Everyone is doing well and everyone is given best. I really feel happy that I could be a part of this, but don't take it otherwise. And as I said, everyone needs to upload your own video. So your own individual presentation needs to be there. Okay. Yeah. So we wind up today. Okay. Thank you, everyone. And have a nice day. Yeah.
नमस्कार। बहुत खुशी की बात है कि नेटवर्क खराब होने के बावजूद जो जज्बा हम अपने छात्रों में देख सकते हैं, इस कला को सीखने के प्रति, वो बार-बार लेफ्ट हो रहे हैं नेटवर्क के इश्यूज की वजह से शायद, पर वो वापस से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और ये क्लास को कंटिन्यू करना चाह रहे हैं। तो ये जज्बे के लिए मैं उनको बहुत-बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। साथ ही जिस तन्मयता और आत्मीयता के साथ मैडम आप यहाँ पे बच्चों को सिखा रही हैं, वो काबिले तारीफ है। वो मैं पूरे स्पीक मेकिंग की टीम की ओर से आपका हृदय से धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ आज के इस सत्र के लिए। मैं आशा करता हूँ वापस से 8:45 पर आपसे मुलाकात होगी, आप सभी से मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।